Roughing it in the wild, your only goal survival. Let your guard down and you won't live very long. Old allies leave you vacant, new allies save your bacon. Don't know how they did it, but they made me strong. Now look at you in your dumb puffy pink face. You wouldn't last a day out here in the waste. I've got a single cage I still gotta fill. Call this a mercy kill.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, that got your heart beating fast? Don't worry, it won't be beating much longer. Come on, step up and fight me. Your old nemesis ain't losing to no mochi, so fight like it's your last bout. Cause when this hammer hits you, you're done, you're out. Stay down, or else I'll make you. When I stop the ground, the impact's sure to shake you. Stop sobbing, I'm not done yet. Gonna give you a clobbering. You won't forget. You're running like a coward with a weakling soul. I'm flushed with penguin power, all you do is dodge roll. This forgotten land the pack commands has made me tough, but somewhere deep inside me it don't feel like enough. Die to the mighty King Dedede, and this pillar I ripped off the wall. Through the fiercest ferocity, face the velocity of its fall. No! Me run, me dash like wild boar. Me never feel so strong before. Me not need hammer, not need tools. Me smash directly into fools. Watch out, the phone, the razor fangs. Me very hungry, the wind will call my fangs. Small little cabin, pumped rabbit tails. But you in the big ancient birds, the cute face patches. These are gonna shoot up fire on their own. One little bit of opportunity has grown. Magic man so good at task of beating love. So we stop the stall and just finish the job. Coward, wild King Dedede is your land very last killing blow. All the beasts will be proud of him. Maybe we'll battle and wait me and king. That's why I need some gold. You eat my dodge, me flame and death. Dedede running out of breath. Gotta completely climb a peak. Oh, don't know what this pack will be. Me know what's not this meddling kid. Gonna do the same moves that me already did. Man is smart and perfect, me know she and it all. Dedede is so clever, everybody give him a love. This is gonna shoot a fire once again. Me will be beloved by the furry friends. Magic man so good at tasks stopping thoughts. So we stop the thing and then just so you will not fall on the wild King Dedede is distracted with no fear and no aim. For the feet is the sword Dedede ever wore. Wild King Dedede never ever be vain.